Welcome to our guide on watching Netflix without Wi-Fi. Traditionally, streaming requires a stable Wi-Fi connection, but did you know there are alternatives? Netflix offers an offline viewing feature that allows you to download your favorite shows and movies for when you're not connected to the internet. Here's how to download content on Netflix. First, open the app, navigate to a show, and look for the download button. Tap it, and your show will start downloading. Not all titles are available for download, but many of the top hits and originals are. Check the download icon next to each title to see if it's available. Keep in mind that downloaded content takes up storage space. Ensure your device has enough free space to accommodate your favorite shows. If Wi-Fi isn't available, you can also use mobile data to stream Netflix. Just be cautious, as streaming can consume a lot of data. On average, streaming a standard definition show uses about 1 gigabyte of data per hour. Opt for lower quality settings if you're worried about data limits. You can also watch Netflix on your tablet or smartphone without Wi-Fi. Just remember to download your favorites ahead of time or monitor your mobile data usage. Many common questions arise, like how long do downloads last? Typically, you've got 30 days to start watching a downloaded movie or show. In conclusion, while Wi-Fi is ideal, Netflix does provide solutions like offline viewing and mobile data options. Utilize these features to enjoy binge watching anywhere.